I'm gonna show you how to add power steering fluid to your BMW. This is my daughter 2006 5030i. I'm gonna crank it up and just let you listen to the sound it makes when the power steering fluid is low. You can hear that whining noise. And this is for any vehicle. Once you start hearing that noise when you turn, that means your power steering fluid is low. Especially if you turn deep, you hear that whining, that's terrible. So I'm gonna go ahead and raise the hood and show you where it's located at. And this is what they recommend here for BMW 5030i. And this stuff is expensive. It's a link below. I recommend you purchase it from the link below because I paid almost $30 at AutoZone for this. But to open it, you squeeze that little tab in, then turn. So you squeeze it in, then turn. Once you got it off, you just pull this little plastic tab out and you're ready to pour it in. But your power steering is located on the right hand side. And on my daughter's car, it tells you what type of power steering fluid to use. So you just turn the cap off. As you can see in here, it's really low. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding this power steering fluid. Don't waste it, it's too expensive. And don't overfill it. So I'm gonna show you how much to put in there. You can see I'm pouring it in there. And you don't want to fill it all the way to the top, maybe halfway or to that little line. Then what you want to do is put your cap back on. You see that top line, that's the most you want to put on there. So you screw it on and then take it right back off to check your measurement. And as you can see, I got the right amount here. So I'm gonna put the cap back on and I'm gonna go start the car back up again. As you see, it started up now. And it's not making that crazy noise again, no more. So that's all to it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and again, look in the description and you can purchase this power steering fluid off Amazon. You can get it for a whole lot cheaper. So look in the link below. Thank you and have a great day.